This boomerang-shaped region of Middle East was home to the earliest civilizations of humankind. It is called Fertile Crescent. My name is Ahmad Rizvi, and today within few minutes of this video I'm going to answer 4 questions. Why, where, how and when this half moon shaped region got its name. So let's start right now. First, look at the term Fertile Crescent, where fertile means land or soil capable to produce crops, and crescent means curved sickle-shaped moon. The whole term Fertile Crescent means a half moon shaped land capable of producing crops. But whenever we talk about this term for this particular region, it has a vast meaning. The fertility of this crescent is not just about the land. It also refers to the richness of the innovative ideas of the people who lived in this region. This area was the birthplace of several technological inventions like the potter's wheel, the first agricultural system, the first irrigation system, mathematics, writing, and much more. To describe the archaeological significance of this land, an American archaeologist, James Henry Breasted, coined the term Fertile Crescent in one of his books, Ancient Times, A History of Early World, in 1914. Now the question is, where is this Fertile Crescent located? On a map, the Fertile Crescent looks like a quarter moon, and it covers many countries including Iraq, Iran, Syria, Turkey, Palestine, Israel, Lebanon, Jordan, and Egypt. Few historians include Cyprus as well. Iraq and Egypt hold more significance than any other country because most of the old civilizations lived in these two countries. Sumerians, Akkadians, Babylonians lived in ancient Iraq, and the Egyptian civilization survived on the banks of the Nile. The whole area of Fertile Crescent contained fertile soil. River Nile, Euphrates, and Tigris supplied the productive freshwaters to brackish wetlands. These produced plenty of wild edible plant species. Ancient people here began to experiment with the cultivation of grains and cereals around 10,000 BCE as they transitioned from hunter-gatherer groups to permanent agricultural societies. Today the Fertile Crescent is not so fertile. In the year 1950, a series of large-scale irrigation projects diverted water from the famous Mesopotamian marshes of the Euphrates and Tigris river system, causing them to dry up. So this was the story of Fertile Crescent. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. We always try to upload valuable content on this channel. Take care. We'll meet you in the next video.